The 5 best trading apps in the USA, which one should you use? Want to start investing but don't know which trading app to choose? With so many platforms promising zero commissions, intuitive dashboards, and endless market data, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But not all trading apps are created equal. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best trading apps in the USA, each one tested and ranked based on ease of use, features, fees, and overall performance. Let's go from number 5 to number 1 and help you figure out exactly which app is right for you. 5. Robinhood. Starting off at number 5 is the most talked about app in recent years, Robinhood. Robinhood changed the game by offering commission-free trading before it was cool. With a sleek, beginner-friendly interface, it's perfect for new investors who want to buy and sell stocks with zero fees, explore crypto, ETFs, and options. Use fractional shares to start with as little as $1. It's fast, simple, and mobile first. But here's the downside. It lacks in-depth research tools and advanced charting, which more experienced traders might miss. Still, if you're just getting started and want a no-frills way to begin investing, Robinhood is a great launchpad. 4H. Webull. Next is Webull, which strikes a balance between simplicity and power. Webull offers commission-free trading, extended hours trading, crypto support, and highly customizable charts and indicators. It's great for intermediate users who want more data than Robinhood but still want a mobile-friendly experience. The app includes paper trading, so you can test strategies without risking real money. The interface takes a bit of getting used to, but once you're in, it's incredibly powerful. One catch? No mutual funds or bonds. Webull is focused purely on active stock and options traders. 3. Fidelity Investments. At number 3, we've got Fidelity, a household name that delivers a rock-solid app for long-term investors. Here's what makes it stand out. $0 commissions on US stocks and ETFs, a huge variety of investment options, including mutual funds and bonds, excellent retirement and tax planning tools, top-tier research and customer support. Fidelity may not have the flashiest interface, but it's reliable, trustworthy, and packed with features for anyone serious about growing wealth over time. If you're building a diversified portfolio and thinking beyond short-term gains, Fidelity is a smart choice. 2. IAT. TD Ameritrade. Thinkorswim. Coming in strong at number 2 is TD Ameritrade, especially for those who want deep technical tools and real-time data. Their Thinkorswim platform is legendary. You get advanced charting and analysis tools, real-time news and market scanners, practice trading with paper money, education for all skill levels. Yes, it can feel intimidating at first, but once you explore the features, you'll see why professional traders swear by it. The mobile app mirrors the desktop version closely, offering full functionality on the go, and yes, like the others, commission-free trading is standard. 1. Charles Schwab. And at number 1 is the Charles Schwab app, the ultimate all-in-one platform for any level of investor. Here's why it tops the list. $0 commissions on stocks, ETFs, and options. Access to over 4,000 no-load mutual funds. Intuitive mobile design paired with powerful research tools. Fractional shares through Schwab stock slices. Excellent customer support and education content. Schwab balances modern usability with decades of trust and financial expertise. Whether you're saving for retirement, building a portfolio, or just starting out, Schwab gives you everything in one place. And unlike some flashy apps, Schwab actually helps you become a better investor. So, which trading apps should you use? Use Robinhood if you're just starting and want simplicity. Try Webull if you want more data and love tracking markets actively. Go with Fidelity for long-term investing and full financial planning tools. Choose TD Ameritrade if you want a pro-level platform and advanced charts. And if you want it all, Charles Schwab is the best blend of tools, trust, and ease. Which app are you using right now and are you happy with it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this video helped you decide where to trade, don't forget to give it a like. Remember, this content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.